forces out one slow out. Ali, top, Mega Drive, pass to begin, moving a party outside. Hello Africa. Reina processes by the rail third, and followed by Sunday King, guided missile, Mika's Pride, and Ali, top, in that order, as they leave the straight. Mega Drive, the leader by Oralenka, followed closely on the outside by Hello Africa. Moving up by the rail now is Reina Process, guided missile in port. In the middle, Sunday King, moving up on the outside, Mika's Pride, and Ali top is still racing in last as they swing down the back. Hello Africa by Oralenka and Hapa. Mika's Pride in second, by the rail third comes Mega Drive. Reina Process in port. In the middle, guided missile, Sunday King, and Ali top still racing in last. And it's still Hello Africa by about 3/4 of Alenka. And on the outside, Mika's Pride, Mega Drive, guided missile is nicking by the rail. Now comes Ali top, Sunday King, and Reina Process. Hello Africa moving up, Mika's Pride on the outside. It's now Mika's Pride, Hello Africa, Mega Drive now coming closer on the outside as they come down at the last 200. It's now Mega Drive takes the lead by Oralenka. Mika's Pride runs back in second. Hello Africa, guided missile, Ali top. Last 75 meters, and it's still Mega Drive by about 5 lengths, and finally Mega Drive. Guided missile, Mika's Pride, Ali.
Mega